Hello traders, this is Day Trader Matt here doing an Emini Trading Room recap for the 24th of October, Wednesday. And today we had a pretty good sized gap up in the markets. A little move higher only to turn around, move lower, chop a lot, and then move a little bit lower. We had one trade today which was successful. We're working inside of a maximum profit potential of 1.5 points. Actual entries and exits, we grabbed 2 points or 8 ticks. We grabbed along right off the open, rode it up a little bit, took some profits, and then the market did turn around and drop quite a bit lower. Basically ended up watching the market the rest of the day. Through all of this mess, very, very choppy. This even seemed a little choppy as well, and that's pretty much why we just watched it. $100 for 2.5 hours. To some people that's a lot of money, to other people it's not a lot. But if you do consistent profits day in, day out, and of course sometimes you're not going to make money, sometimes you are going to make money, sometimes you're going to make a negative amount of money. But having that consistency, being able to make money week in, week out, month in, month out, and being able to do that is definitely very, very important to having a trading business. Being consistent is very important, and to be around a year from now, 2 years from now, 10 years from now, it's definitely something that is important. It's very gratifying to be able to do something like that, and when you do get comfortable making the money, a lot of times you might let your ego get the best of you. Hey, I'm great, I can do this, I don't need my analysis. And then you kind of start losing money and you go back to where you were at. And that's another point a lot of traders like to struggle at. And then once they get over that plateau, there's always another one waiting for you around the corner. And that's what makes life fun. You get through one challenge, you're going to have another one. You get through that challenge, you're going to have another one. And that's what I was talking to about with one of the traders in the room. It's definitely something that happens, and that's one of the things that keeps a lot of us traders humble, is that we know that if we get too excited or too emotional, there's always something around the corner waiting to knock us down. So you have to stick by what you do, stick by what works. But anyway, hope that makes sense to you guys out there. With that, I'd like to encourage everyone to stop by and check out the website. It's www.abusinesswithtrading.com. Every day we focus on the ES, the S&P futures market. It's been my favorite market to trade for a very long time. I think it's a ton of fun. It's definitely a market that it challenges you at times, and you have to be on top of your game. You have to do your analysis at night, a little bit in the morning time, just to know where you're at, what you want to do, what levels in the market you want to do business at. And because it's not a guessing game. Let me go short here, let me go long here, and hope that things are going to work out, and get into that, in quotation marks, hopium mentality. I call it hopium just because it is an addictive state. And I do relate it to opium, the opiate family, very addicting. Hope is the same way. I hope this is going to happen. I hope that if I drive off this cliff, I'm going to fly. My car is going to fly. Yeah, you can hope all day, but when you drive off that cliff, your car is not going to fly. Unless someone did something really magical to it. Maybe they put jet propulsion on it or something like that. But back to my story, you drive off that cliff, you're not going to fly. So you can hope all day that your trade's going to work. But unless you've done the necessary legwork to put the probabilities in your favor that the trade's going to work out, it's just a guessing game. You might as well just go to a casino or donate money to charity. Actually, donating money to charity would be a better thing, because at least somebody would get benefit out of it. If you're just making wild guesses in the market, losing money, it doesn't really benefit anyone. If you can learn a lesson from it, it would benefit you. But a lot of times that is not the case. But just wanted to talk a little bit about that. It's definitely an important concept, I thought, and I wanted to share that with you. Hope you gained some value out of it. If you did, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. Share the video with a friend. Definitely would appreciate that. And thanks for watching the video. I definitely appreciate the support so far. Everyone's been awesome. The website is only as good as the people who pay attention to it, and that's you guys. So definitely big thanks. With that, everyone have an awesome day, and I'll see you tomorrow in the markets. Thank you.